Matt with Hawley Home Inspections. During an inspection, when we're inspecting the deck on a property, we're looking at a lot of things. In today's inspection though, we notice the joist hangers here have all been put on with screws, and they did not put them in all the approved spots. So first you have to put a number 16 galvanized nail or larger in each and every one of the designated holes on the joist hanger. Screws are not an acceptable form of securing a joist hanger on a deck. I want to take a minute and talk about one of the most common defects and mistakes I see during a standard deck inspection. Everybody wants to put their joist hanger on with the screw. And they tell me all the time that a screw is bigger around than a nail is. And that is true until you put the nail behind the screw and you look at the groove is taken out of the screw. When that is done, the nail is actually bigger in diameter than the screw is. The big difference is their strength. So on this board I have a screw that's partially ran in. You take, and it breaks off fairly easy. Now we're going to use number 16 deck nail. You notice it took quite a bit more to get that nail to break off than it does the screw. And that is exactly why you have to use a number 16 hot dip galvanized nail in your joist hangers or larger over a screw. A nail is a lot stronger. The other mistake I see is how the joist hangers are actually installed. I see them a lot of times. You see the gap here in the floor and the joist is just hanging there. I'll see them like that. And people will put one nail here in the top on each side. Your joist hanger should be secured on one side in all three of the appropriate nail holes. Your joist put in, the other side brought over, and it should have nails put in all three going down. You will also see on a joist hanger where it has a set of holes right here on the side for a nail to go in. You use an 1.5 inch galvanized nail here. It will go in through the joist hanger right here and into your deck joist itself. You should have a nail in every single hole. Most joist hangers have 2 on each side for the nail, for holding the nail to the floor joist. It is very critical that you put these in. This is what all holds everything together on your deck. For all your home inspection questions and all your home inspection needs in the St. Louis metropolitan area, call Hawley Home Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. Thank you and have a happy day.